Hello on this Thursday. Nice day today. And what we're going to do today is a little bit of alkene and alkyne naming. And I'm going to go over some homework here. And I'm going to assign you just the alkyne homework. And that we're not making the best headway this week, but it is AP testing. And I know that's going on. So looking at the first one here, with no further ado, we have this 4 in a row. That means it is going to be a butene. Now, because the double bond is on the second carbon in, it is going to be 2-butene. And because both of these carbons are on the same side, it is going to be cis-2-butene. And because there are two methyl groups, methyl group 1 and methyl group 2 here, but they're on the, that's not a good idea, they're on the second and third carbon here, it is going to be 2,3-dimethyl cis-2-butene. That's what we would call it. Over here, our double bond is closest to this end, so we're going to run along this as our carbon chain, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 2-pentene, 5 carbons, with a double bond on the second one, and that means that this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, fourth, and then the fifth. So I have 2,4-dimethyl, 2-pentene like that. Here, I believe I ran from one end to the other like that, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's again going to be a pentene. There's no reason to say 1-pentene, but you can if you want. It's a bit redundant. And it's going to be 3-ethyl, 4-methyl, pentene. Carbon here on the second, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not really going to matter, so we'll just go like this. And it is going to be 2-pentene because it's on the second one there. And I think I see here 3-ethyl, 4-methyl. It's the same thing. Oh, they just reversed it on us. Boo. So 3-ethyl, 4-methyl. I apologize for my miserable handwriting. Okay. So here we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember that double bond always has to be part of the central chain. So this is again going to be a pentene. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 3, 4, 4 trimethyl pentene. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so it's going to be butene. No reason to say 1-butene. And it is going to be 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 3,3-dimethyl because there's two methyl groups. I'm going to say what they are. Okay. Here, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think on this, we want to take the longest continuous chain, which is going to look like that. Okay. And that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be hexene. No reason to say 1-hexene because it's on the first. And we have 1, 2, it'll be 3-ethyl. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4 dimethyl hexene. Make that all one word. These get to be really long. Okay, here we have to look 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to come from this end here. And it's not going to matter if I branch off or if I go straight. It's the same darn thing. So it is 1, 2, 3, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 3-heptene, like that. And I'm seeing 2 ethyl groups on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 5, 5, that's a 5, diethyl, 2, 2, 3, triethyl, trimethyl, I misspoke, peptine, like thus. Okay, there's your answers. There was one lab group in particular that was suffering on this. Most of the rest of you were kind of okay, and that a few things here and there. Okay, these were pretty straightforward. So one pentene, it is redundant, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the double bond there. 2 ethyl, 1 and 2. Now, why 2 ethyl? Because the longest chain looks like this, and the ethyl chain, the double bond has to be in the central chain. 1 butene, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's butene. There's 1 butene. 2, 3 dimethyl. There's a methyl. There's a methyl. Hexene, 1 hexene. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 hexene, 3, 2, 3, 4 trimethyl, 2, 3, 4 trimethyl. And here we have 2 pentene. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 pentene there, 2 ethyl, 1, 2, and 3, 4 dimethyl, 1, 2, like that. Don't like this one. I kind of view it as a bit of an error. Always have. Would rather have called it 1, 2, 3, 4, hexene, and that, but it isn't. It's closest to. Okay, I'm not even going to get into it. Okay, alkynes. Not too different here with the alkynes, and that only it's a YNE ending, and they tend to be a tad simpler. They don't get as crazy. So we're going to have it in our central chain. So it'll go like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's butyne, and we have a methyl group on the 3rd carbon. So it is 3 methyl butyne. I gave myself too much space. Here, it is on the 2nd carbon, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 2 hexyne, YNE ending. And I have 3 methyl groups here on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 trimethyl. So 4, 4, 5 trimethyl, like that. So that's how you do these ones. And I don't think you'll have too much trouble with the other 6. Here, same idea. So it's 1 pentyne, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pent, 1 pentyne, tripling it up there. 3 ethyl, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, like there, and that's all we need to do. Okay, that's how it goes. I think you'll be all right with this. Tomorrow we'll take a look at cycloalkanes. We don't have that many days left. And I do want to do a couple reactions and things with you with functional groups next week as it goes. Hope you're doing well. Take care. Bye-bye.